Happy Monday, everybody. It's Dr. Matt with Full Potential Chiropractic here. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing December so far. I know I am. It's the weather's held off, so that's always pleasant to see. Right behind me, we have the giving tree. Still looks like we have a few tags to give. So come on in. You don't have to be a practice member. If you don't want to do one of those, you can do small donations, and we'll go out and shop for you. I know some people are not big shoppers. That's okay. Let us do the shopping for you. We definitely want to make sure everybody in this community, gets a great Christmas this year. And it's simple things: books, non-perishable food items, socks, just different things like that. So I know we went out and shopped this past weekend for our tag. So it's always exciting to see different things out there. With the toys and different things that we can get the people. Last week, we also mentioned the healthy eating workshop Dr. Alicia will be doing at the end of the month. It's, I believe it's the last Tuesday of the month. You definitely want to make sure you sign up for that. Definitely want to start planning. Again, start planning your health goals right now. Going into next year, it's the biggest time of year where everybody sets their goals. And it's also the biggest time of the year where people fail on their goals because they just give up because they don't have a nice roadmap set for them. So, from time to time, I will give our suggestions as far as what we do in our personal lives on healthy eating. I know there's one big thing that I like to do that stays on track, right, is eat protein, right? So general rule of thumb, if you're trying to lose weight, it's 0.8. Try to maintain 0.9. And if you're trying to gain a certain weight, it's 1 gram. So what does all that mean? So if you want to weigh 200 pounds, right, then if you're trying to lose weight to get to 200 pounds, right, you want to eat 0.8, right? 0.8 times 200 give you the amount of grams of protein. If you're just trying to maintain your weight wherever you're at, 0.9 times that weight gives you that amount of grams. And if you're trying to weigh 200 pounds, get up to 200 pounds, then 1 times 200, there you go. So again, that's what you need to sort of keep in mind, right? The rule of thumb with protein. Now, if there's any kidney issues out there, so make sure you check with your doctors before you start diving into that protein goal. But I promise you this, you start eating that amount of protein, you will be filled up longer, you will lose weight, you will gain lean mass, and you'll have a lot more energy. So I'll say that again, right? You'll lose weight, get more energy, get lean muscle, and stay full longer. All sounds like an amazing idea, right? We get this misconception that you eat more protein, you get big and bulky. Well, that couldn't be further from the truth. If you want to get big and bulky, well, you're going to have to eat a lot of protein. So, again, it doesn't have to come from red meat. Come from fish, come from a plant source. Some of those sources, you have to eat less amount of food to get that high protein. Like fish, there's a lot of protein in fish. If you're a plant eater, which is great, you have to eat a lot of stuff, right, to figure out. I don't know all the foods where you get protein from, but you can get a lot of protein from different sources other than meat. So hopefully that helps you guys out. I just want to share something that I do that keeps me on track all year round. I focus on my protein, my water, and I let everything else fall where it falls, and it sort of keeps me in the lines throughout the year. Have a great Monday, everybody.